Here we go on after hours. JNPR, Juniper Networks. Back in the day, it was a high flyer, just like Amazon is a high flyer. It was a high flyer in its class group back in the days. They came out and their earnings isn't all that great. This is the after hours chart. It closed at 31.17. You can currently see the prints here at 27.14. And that the stock has taken a $4 haircut, and it's a technology weighted sector that it will be in, and it will have the sector tomorrow that Juniper is in will have the ones that will be in that sector will be weak as well. Okay, and so we know that part of it. Okay, sector relationships, when something like this in its sector misses its earnings, then there's a sympathy gap down with the rest of the names and whatnot. So when one is spotting opportunity must be exploited, because otherwise the market exploits you. So why not you be the one who does the exploiting? And so on the Juniper Networks guidance, their guidance isn't everything that you would want to see. And why is that? Because the guidance is downside guidance. They miss by 2 cents on Juniper, misses on the revs, and guides Q3 EPS below consensus. Not very good. And the thing about it is that the revenues, listen, the earnings of 31 pennies per share, excluding that non-reoccurring items, 2 cents worse than Capital IQ census estimates of 33 cents. Here's the key. Revenues rose 14.6% year to year to 1.2 billion versus the 1.15 billion consensus. Notice that the consensus was 1.15 and they came in at 14.6% year to year at 1.2. So there's a miss there. And the downside guidance, the EPS of 26 to 30 cents, excluding, once again, non-reoccurring items, versus the 38 cents Capital IQ consensus estimates. So you can see the range of the estimates there and whatnot. And so there are going to be key stocks in this sector that will be weak. And tomorrow when we go to the sector indices, we'll look for other names that may share similar problems that Juniper is right now. So I conclude the report tomorrow morning. Once we land and hit the bottom and shake out all of the sellers that are all out of the way, we'll look at taking that long for about, I would say about good 85 cents off the bottom. And it's a nice little trade that will set up as well as another opportunity. Juniper Network misses.